Hello friends, welcome to backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue enjoy to like these videos. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet skirts and crop top blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people. It all the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos like this. So friends, I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos fashion related, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos, show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and love such clothes. So friends, today with you amazing video has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep again sharing different ideas and related fashions. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Take care, stay with me. Will remember prayer, and bye.